Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make 豚ともやしのピリ辛炒め. It's pork and bean sprout stir fry. I'm making it a bit spicy. Very simple and easy dish, but flavorful and satisfying. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this 豚ともやしのピリ辛炒め. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 300 grams of ground pork, 400 grams of bean sprout, some garlic chive, or you can use regular chive, 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce, oyster sauce, sake, sesame oil, potato starch or cornstarch, grated garlic, grated ginger, and doubanjian, hot bean paste, and some salt and pepper. Let's cut the chive into 2 inches or so. The bottom end is dried, so let's cut it off just a little bit. Cut them into half, put them together. Then into 2 inches. Now, I'm making the seasoning mixture. So prepare 100 ml of water and put all these seasonings. Oyster sauce, sake, soy sauce, sesame oil, grated garlic, grated ginger, and doubanjian, hot bean paste, and potato starch. Give it a good mix. And the seasoning mixture is ready. It's 1 tablespoon of everything, so it's very easy to remember. Now, I have everything ready to go, so it's time to cook. Let's start with pork. Heat up frying pan over medium to medium high heat. No oil needed. Put the pork. And just cook it until it's brown. Forgot to put some salt and pepper. About half a teaspoon. Pork is all brown and well cooked, so let's add the vegetables. Just keep cooking until the vegetables are wilted. Looks good. So let's add the seasoning mixture. Turn the heat off. Give it a mix one last time. The starch is sinking at the bottom. Add it to the frying pan. Mix well. Then turn the heat back on and cook for a minute. Okay, turn off the heat and it's done. Let's serve on the plate. And 豚ともやしのピリ辛炒め is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。I didn't overcook the vegetables, so it still has a crispy texture. And the freshness of the vegetable is a perfect match with the porky flavor. It kind of balances off the fattiness of the pork and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 豚ともやしのピリ辛炒め is a main, so it goes here. Plain rice here, and how about kabocha miso soup here? There are enough vegetables in these dishes, so let's pass one of the side dishes and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye.